This is the entrance hallway. So you've got storage cupboard there, front door. Just so you can see outside, you've got parking. It's a very quiet area. Across here, we have a really large double bedroom. Just so you can see from kind of every corner. And in here we've got the bathroom. So you've got a bath with shower over, window to the side. Then we come on through in here. You've got, it's another double bedroom. So you can see the space. And then we have a kitchen diner in here, patio style windows. This is the living room section. Then over here we've got the kitchen area, which has integrated fridge freezer, and you've got your oven and hob as well. That is the property.